In this video, we will learn how to assemble a VistaSharp wall frame that includes 4 extrusions cut to 45 degrees. The relevant items for this product are 4 FRL extrusions, 2 long and 2 short, 4 angle brackets, 4 magnetic strips to adjust the die bond in place, 4 metal strips, graphic substrate, in this case a die bond board. The tools required to assemble the signs are a box knife, a manual press, aluminum grade scraper. First, insert an angle bracket into one of the extrusions and the other side of the angle bracket into adjacent extrusions. Locate the 2 corners of the extrusions under the manual press, when the back side of the extrusions facing up. Set the extrusions using the setting lever and press using the pressure lever. This connects the 2 extrusions together neatly. Now, slide the 2 metal strips into the extrusions in the designated channels. It is important to do this before joining the other extrusions together to create the full frame. Now, insert another angle bracket to one of the extrusions and insert the other side into the second extrusions, same as we did before. Again, use the manual press to join the 2 extrusions together. Insert another metal strips into the extrusion. The last extrusion will be attached after inserting the last metal strips with 2 angle brackets on each side. Connect the extrusions using the manual press to create a full frame. The next step would be adding the graphic substrate, a die bond board in this case. Locate the die bond board on the frame to check for size match. Clean the aluminum shavings using the aluminum grade scraper and continue. Take the magnet strips. They are equipped with a double-sided tape on one side. The magnet is on the other side. Lay the magnet strips accurately onto the metal strips in the frame. When the double-sided tape facing upwards and the magnet facing the metal strips. Use a box knife to carefully remove the protective cover from the double-sided tape. Take the die bond board and remove the protective film from the back side. Lay it accurately over the magnet strips. Press the die bond board to tighten the double-sided tape onto the magnets for clean and straight adhesion. When pulling the die bond board out of the frame, it is possible now to see that the magnet strips are neatly attached to the back side. It would be easy to change graphics by removing the die bond board from the frame and replacing it with a new die bond board, using new magnet strips to do that. And this is the final product. A VistaSharp wall frame that includes 4 extrusions and cut to 45 degrees.